Now, the West Indies could be facing Scotland in their opening game at the ICC Men's T20 World Cup next month, as the impasse between Bangladesh and the International Cricket Council, the ICC, continues. A day after Bangladesh were told by the ICC that they would be replaced at the upcoming T20 World Cup if they continue to refuse to play in India, Bangladesh have remained firm in wanting their matches moved to Sri Lanka. Speaking to the media on Thursday, Bangladesh's sports advisor Asif Nazrul said it is the government's decision not to play in India due to security concerns. This decision was announced after a meeting in Dhaka between Nazrul, Bangladesh Cricket Board executive, and several national team players. It means that they risk not participating in the tournament beginning on February 7. Meanwhile, BCB President Aminul Islam has effectively accused the ICC of double standards in pointing to the governing body's accommodation of India's request to play their 2025 Champions Trophy matches in the UAE instead of in Pakistan, while refusing to move Bangladesh's matches in the upcoming T20 World Cup from India to Sri Lanka. The West Indies are due to play their opening game against the Bangladeshis on February 7.